Welcome back, fitness enthusiasts, to another exciting episode where we delve into the world of muscle-building foods. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the top 10 foods that will turbocharge your muscle growth. First up, we focus on the power of protein. It's no secret that protein is the building block of muscles, and we'll be exploring the best sources from lean meats and eggs to plant-based options. Stay tuned for a mouth-watering protein-rich recipe later on. Next, we turn our attention to healthy fats. Often misunderstood, these good fats found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil are essential for hormone production and maintaining energy levels, making them a staple in any muscle-building diet. We also delve into complex carbohydrates, the secret weapon for sustained energy during workouts. We'll be looking at foods like sweet potatoes and quinoa that can keep you fueled and ready to conquer any fitness routine. But it's not all about macros. We'll be shining a light on micronutrients and antioxidants as well, with a focus on fruits and vegetables that support muscle recovery and boost overall health. And let's not forget about hydration and recovery foods. We'll be discussing the importance of water intake during workouts and sharing our favorite post-workout snacks that aid in muscle repair. Finally, we reveal our top 10 muscle-building foods, combining the best of protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and micronutrients. These foods not only tantalize the taste buds, but also play a key role in unlocking your full muscle-building potential. In conclusion, we've taken you on a culinary journey through the top foods that can enhance your muscle growth. Remember, a balanced diet is just as important as a rigorous workout routine. So give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow fitness enthusiasts, and let us know in the comments which of these foods is your favorite and how you incorporate them into your diet. Until next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep feasting for fitness.